Hey guys, welcome back to How to Geek. In today's geeky video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Crunchyroll account. So there are two ways you can log into your Crunchyroll. You can do it from the Crunchyroll app or from the Crunchyroll website, which is crunchyroll.com. If you want to log in from the website, simply go to crunchyroll.com and you land on an interface like this where you have to tap on the login option on the top right side of the screen. Then here enter your username or email address and enter the password of your account and tap on login, and you're successfully logged into your Crunchyroll account. If you want to log in from the app, simply download it from App Store or Play Store. It's available on both. So after downloading it, open the app and you will be on this kind of interface where you have to tap on the option login and enter your username or email address and enter your password and tap on login. So this is all that you have to do to log into your Crunchyroll account. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for other helpful updates.